I just want to test, of course, Colonel Garma. Anyway, Miss Garma, your letter will be tackled on the latter part, no, in this committee hearing.
Thank you, Your
And
Honor.
thank you for once again stating that what you have said during the previous hearing, tinindigan mo po yung statement mo. Now, ma'am, during the previous hearing, I asked you about such meeting. That was June 28, 2015, 2016. That was 3 days before the former President Duterte assumed his office. And during the previous hearing, inamin na po ni Colonel Leonardo, but not telling what really happens. Well, in fact, he was evading during the time to tell where the place happens. Now, he stated, not you, but him stated that there's a meeting or gathering in the DPWH building in Davao. And in my data, at alam na po namin kung sino-sino yung nandun. Now, do you confirm, ma'am, that there is a meeting for ito, specific, class 96 ang 97?
Mr. Chair, it's
In the second floor,
yes, Mr. Chair, it's a courtesy call somewhat. Yeah, it's
Or
like,
did you talk something about that war on drugs? Sabihin na natin, Davao template.
halo-halo kasi yung pinag-usapan
Hindi,
namin,
tatanungin lang
Mr.
kita.
Chair.
Did you discuss about Davao template? O, nandito si Patay. Grijaldo, nandito kayo. Oh, now, let me ask you once again. Is there a meeting and it was discussed about Davao template?
May I be
Yes,
allowed to
please.
ask? Kasi po, ang understanding ko kasi pag discussion, there's an in-depth na pag-uusap. Pero may napag-usapan po, but it's not in-depth. It's just passing, Mr. Chair.
What I'm saying is, ma'am, diretso lang po. Nag-usap ba kayo tungkol doon sa Davao template? Yes or no?
Napag-usapan din po. Mr.
Napag-usapan. Colonel Leonardo, napag-usapan niyo ba doon sa 96 yung Davao template? Yes or no?
Mr. Chair, hindi ko po ma-recall yung
Nako.
about template. Pero mga...
Oh, anyway,
usap
yan
po
na
kami.
naman ha. Yan na naman. Okay. As of now, hindi ko tatanggapin yung reasoning mo, pero I will leave it to that. Now, Colonel Patay, you were there. Yes or no?
No, Mr. Chair.
You were not there.
No, Mr. Chair.
In the second floor, you were not there.
No, Mr. Chair.
Are you sure?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Sige. Chairman, let me put in record na tinanggi ni Colonel Patay na he was there. Colonel Grijaldo, are you present during the time? That was June 28, second floor of the DPWH building.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
You were there.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Now, it was discussed about the Davao template?
No, Mr. Chair.
No?
Yes, sir.
Oh, no. So you contradict the statement of Ms. Garma na isa sa mga pinag-usapan doon? Colonel Gardo, you're under oath.
Yes, yes,
Baka
Mr.
maaga
Chair.
ka.
I could not confirm the statement of...
So, no. None.
yes, Mr. Chair.
Wala.
Wala.
O anong ginawa niyo lang doon sa loob ng kwarto?
We were there the time, Mr. Chair.
No, tinatanong ko, anong ginawa niyo? Kasi nakakahon kayo doon eh. Di ba? Ako kinukonfirm mo ba na 96, kaiba isang room, 97 sa kabilang room?
No, Mr. Chair.
Ha?
No, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Again, Mr. Chairman, let it put in record that Colonel Grijaldo denied that there is a meeting, that they were placed, the 96 and 97, in separate room. Now, Colonel Grijaldo, during that gathering, the President, former PNP Chief Bato de la Rosa, former now Senator and Senator Bongo is present. Dumaan po sa inyo, hindi?
I could not remember.
Oh,
all
you
the-
cannot remember. Okay.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay, you cannot remember. O, Colonel Patay, since you mentioned that you were not there, so wala. Wala kang alam.
Wala akong alam, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Colonel Leonardo, in that gathering is the President, former President, Colonel Bato, PNP Chief, now Senator Bato de la Rosa, and Senator Bongo, pumunta po doon sa room nyo. Yes or no?
Sir, ang naalala ko, nag-courtesy call po kami.
Hindi, tanong ko kung pumunta sa room nyo.
Ah,
Pumunta ba hindi?
sa room na, kasi sir, naka-separate na room po.
Kaya nga, yung tinatanong ko sa room ng 96.
Ang alam ko
Kasi
po, sir,
nandun
lumabas po kami sa corridor. Then we met
the whole 96.
Senator Bongo during that time.
The whole 96.
Not the whole 96, there are some class 96, Mr. Chair.
Hindi nga, yung nandun na 96. Alam ko naman hindi lahat eh.
Yes po.
Oh, yes.
Nag-meet po kami doon sa corridor po.
O, pero nandun kayo sa isang room.
Lumabas po kami doon sa room na parang waiting area.
O,
Waiting-
cubicle, di ba?
Yes, sir.
Oh,
Parang
yes.
isang room siya na...
Okay.
Then
So,
lumabas
nandun
po
si Senator Bongo, Senator De La Rosa, and the President. Tama?
Hindi ko po ma-recall kung nandun si
Eh,
Senator Bongo.
may in-introduce ka
Bongo
pa
de la
nga
Rosa.
isa eh. May in-introduce ka pa nga isa eh. Na, Mr. President, this is blah, blah, blah. You don't recall?
Actually, marami po akong ano.
Nako.
Pinakilala ko po yung mga classmates ko.
Tapos, sino pa?
Meron din po kaming hindi classmates.
Sino nga?
Uh,
O you cannot recall?
marami po.
Okay,
Sir,
Mr. Chairman, dyan na muna. Hindi ko na muna ipitin si Colonel Leonardo to that question. Now, Colonel Galma, do you confirm that indeed during that meeting nandun pumunta si General Bato, si Senator Bongo, and the President?
No, Mr. Chair, wala akong naalalang pumunta si General Bato at saka si Senator Bongo dun sa aming...
Sa room nyo?
Yes, wala pong
Wala.
pangyayaring ganun po, Mr. Chair.
Okay, anyway. Mukhang totoo yung sinasabi mo. No? But sa 96, nandun. But anyway, hindi pa naman tayo tapos dyan, Colonel Leonardo. But in the next hearing, Mr. Chairman, we will invite all those named listed during that allegedly in your account courtesy call. Kasi po, nakuha na po natin ng committee to lahat ng mga assignments. Yung mga nandun, di ba, pinakuha ko ng nakaraan since 2016 onward. O, kaya nga nandito si Patay, nandito si Colonel Grijaldo. Ang next siguro, let us see, sa next hearing.